What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the new Google Pixel 5a 5G. That's right, this is a gift from Google as being part of Team Pixel, and we're gonna unbox this right now. All right, so we're gonna unbox this. They sent this over to me from Google. I wanted to thank them for sending this over. The newest from Google, the Pixel 5a 5G. Now this is a upgrade, sort of, from last year's Pixel 4a 5G. You also had the Pixel 5 from last year. So this is the latest and a greatest from Google. So we're gonna go ahead and pull off the tabs. This is obviously 5G, but this is not the millimeter wave one. This is only sub 6. So you're gonna have to deal with that. Now look at that color. It's called mostly black, but it has a little bit of a hint of green. Now this right now, you can pick this up. We'll order it from Google for $449, which is a good price. You can pre-order it. It's gonna be released on August 26th. You can pick that up. Now, the Google goodness that this is you see that hint of green. Let's go ahead and pull this out, as you can see. Now, this is a mostly black, but you can see that green there. I think that's kind of cool. Now, this is a 6.34-inch display. Versus the 6.2 that you got with the Pixel 4a 5G. I really did like the size of that one, so I'm really gonna dig the size of this one. I thought the Pixel 5 was a little small, so this is gonna be real nice. Now, this is a metal unibody construction, not like the polycarbonate that they had from last year, but it's soft, so it's coated, so you have a nice soft finish on it. You have your fingerprint display reader there, so let's go ahead and pull off the screen protector here. Now your display is obviously 2400 by 1080. Now for the Pixel Patrol, you got 413 pixels per inch on this. You got your camera there, hole punch right there. So, you know, you still got your front facing camera there. You got dual cameras on the back, as you can see there. I like this here. As you can see, it's like a green textured button, which is really cool. I think that's a nice little addition to detail. And then you get the headphone jack is coming back, which is great. Type C, obviously. There is no wireless charging on this, but guess what? You have a humongous battery, 4600 milliamp battery, 4680 to be exact. So that's a lot bigger than the Pixel 4a 5G from last year. Now this is a really it's a bigger display, so you're only getting 60 hertz on here, so you're not getting the ride or die 90 hertz or even the 120 Fast and Furious refresh rate on your device like you have on some of the flagships, but you're gonna have the 60 hertz display rate. Now this has the 765G Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. You get 128 gigabytes of storage. This is Android 11 out of the box, but you do get Android 12 very soon. Let's go ahead and take a look here. You get a SIM tool ejector here, so you can change your SIM. 18-watt fast charging here with your Type C. You also get your cable here, and you also get a adapter, so if you want to do USB to Type C data transfer, then you're good to go. This should be easy to transfer everything over, but you do get a charger in the box, which is absolutely excellent. Now let's talk about the cameras a little bit. You get the front-facing 8 megapixel camera, basically the same setup as last year with the Pixel 4a 5G. You get 1080p video on here, 8 megapixel for the photos. Also on the back here, you get a dual camera. You lose laser autofocus, which is kind of a bummer, but you still get the same great 12.2 mega wide angle with OIS, and then you also get the 16 megapixel ultra wide angle on the back here, so you can take those nice wide angle pictures You do get 4K 60 frames per second video on the back, which we're gonna check out. You get the rear display fingerprint reader, which is awesome. Also with this all metal design, you get IP67 water resistance, which is excellent. And like I said before, you get the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So we're gonna go ahead and start this up. And when I come back, we're gonna just go through it a little bit. I'm really digging this color, this mostly black with dark green. But it is a really cool color of a phone. I really do dig it. Really nice. Now, one thing to note about the display, it is Gorilla Glass 3, so I would recommend you use a screen protector or a case. I would not rock this naked. It's up to you, that's your prerogative, that's how you wanna do it. But I wouldn't recommend it. Obviously the almost 6.4 inch display is a lot better to use over the 6.2. I think 6.4 is just a real good size for a phone. I really do like it. It's not massive like a 6.7 or even, you know, too small like a 6.0 or a 5.8, that kind of thing. Now it does run Android 11. No word yet on if the Android 12 is gonna count as a major OS. It might, it may not, but you're gonna get a lot of upgrades with the Pixel software on a Pixel device. It has the June security patch on it right now, but it'll probably be upgraded to August anytime soon. Very nice device, $449. Is it a big upgrade over the 4A 5G? Not a big upgrade, but you do get some great stuff like the bigger display, the bigger battery. You get some cool stuff. Now, you do lose the laser autofocus on the camera, which could be a bummer, but hey, the camera's still gonna be top of the line. The Pixel devices have the best cameras when it comes to smartphones, I believe, but that could be a matter of perspective. But the software that they use on these cameras on the Pixel phones is absolute magic. It's pixie dust. They call it Pixel magic. How good the camera pictures come out on this phone is just insane, if you ask me. So go ahead and take a shot here of the Pixel 4a 5G. But one of the things is the night sight and also the awesome portrait photos that you could take on here. And you're gonna be able to rock 4K 60 frames per second on your video, also 1080p. So a lot of great things with this device. Leave some comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and be part of the party, people. But that is the Pixel 5a 5G unboxing and first impressions. I'm really digging the color. I love the size. I love the battery, the software, and the camera. So there are a lot of good things about it. I wish it had wireless charging, but we're gonna have to plug in to get it done. And the headphone jack is gonna come in handy. So that's gonna do it, man. You can pick this up from Google Unlocked or on Google Fi. I'll leave some link down in the description where you guys can pick that up. This will work on T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T, and most carriers, so you're gonna be okay there. It is for sale in USA and Japan right now, but that's gonna do it. I'm Android Stud. Peace, party people.